Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 58 Modern Bathroom Makeover Ideas, a video that will inspire you to transform your bathroom into a modern, stylish, and functional space. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking to update a few elements, these design ideas will help you create a bathroom that suits your style and needs. First, a modern bathroom can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. Imagine a sleek, minimalistic design with clean lines, bold tiles, and contemporary fixtures that create a calming, spa-like atmosphere. With a well-thought-out layout and design, you can easily turn a small bathroom into a cozy retreat or a spacious one into an open, airy oasis. Secondly, these makeover ideas can greatly improve the functionality of your bathroom. For example, incorporating storage solutions like floating vanities, built-in shelves, or hidden cabinets can reduce clutter and provide easy access to all your essentials. Plus, you can opt for energy-efficient fixtures that not only look great but help you save on utility bills in the long run. Lastly, a modern bathroom design can increase your home's value. A bathroom makeover with high-quality materials and stylish finishes is an investment that pays off, adding to the overall appeal and functionality of your property. From luxurious rain showers to smart technology like motion sensor lighting, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tips, like the video if you found it helpful, and feel free to leave a comment sharing your favorite bathroom ideas. Enjoy the video, and get ready to be inspired.